Hello and welcome back to PixelPia Creative AI. Today, in my last video about PicLumen, we are gonna do something very exciting. An AI showdown between PicLumen and MidJourney. Both are powerful AI image generators, but which one truly stands out? Whether you are an artist, a hobbyist, or just curious about AI-generated art, this comparison will help you decide which tool suits your needs best. I have done step-by-step tutorial about them both. So today, to make this a fair comparison, we shall use the same prompts across both platforms. We will test different styles like portraits, landscape, sci-fi, and abstract art to see how each tool interprets our words. No extra tweaks, nothing, just the raw result. This way, we get an honest look at what these tools can do. So with that said, let's jump in and over to my computer. So here we are in PicLumen and we're just gonna double check our settings. We're gonna use the universal mode selected. We're gonna do 4 images and we're gonna use the aspect ratio 3:2. We're gonna set our guidance scale somewhere in the middle here. Let's go by 15. Maybe that is a little high. Let's go by 12. 11.9 here, and let's do 25 steps. See this random and those negative prompts doesn't really matter. And let's do the same for our MidJourney here. 3:2, we're gonna use the standard model. We're gonna use 6.1, no personalization. Let's go stylization somewhere in the middle and variety somewhere in the middle. So that should create a fair comparison. Here we have the 10 prompts I have prepared. And the first one, a highly detailed photorealistic portrait of an elderly woman with piercing blue eyes, deep wrinkles, and soft lighting. So we're gonna paste that into PicLumen and the same into MidJourney. And let's wait. Okay, so here we have PicLumen's results. I don't think I like any of them. Let's see what MidJourney created. Much more like something I would like, especially this one I like. Well, that was just our first try. Maybe our guidance scale should be a little higher. Let's go up to 15 and try that again. Okay, let's not spend too much time. Let's go with the next prompt, which is watercolor painting of a young child with curly hair, expressive eyes, and a gentle smile. And let's create that one in both models here and no changes to the settings. Okay, that looks like watercolor. Very interesting images. Let's see what MidJourney created. This one might go for watercolor, and this one too. It's semi-realistic watercolor combination. I don't know which one do you prefer. The third one is a cinematic vast mountain range at sunrise with golden light breaking over misty peaks, hyper-realistic details. So let's put that into both of them. Here we have PicLumen's version of this. This is probably the one that looks most like what I envisioned. And here we have MidJourney. maybe this one is the one mostly like the one I envisioned. We're just moving on. Now we're going to a vibrant countryside oil painting scene in the style of Claude Monet with soft brushstrokes and rich colors. I don't think that feels like Monet for me at all, but this most definitely does. Especially this one with the water, that's very Monet, I must say, and this one too, the first one. Our fifth prompt is a neon-lit cyberpunk city at night with flying cars and holographic billboards, ultra-detailed, photorealistic. Let's see what our models make out of that. Here we have PicLumen's rendering, and here we have MidJourney. Both of these will need some work. None of them really caught what I envisioned, but I think in this case PicLumen's caught more of the style I wanted. Let's go on with a dreamlike alien planet with floating islands, giant crystal formations, and a sky filled with auroras, and no style defined in this one. So this will be interesting. Here we have PicLumen's version, and here we have MidJourney's version. For the next one, we're going with a minimalist geometric abstract composition with bold colors and dynamic shapes, Bauhaus inspired. I like the PicLumen results here, especially the last one. Let's see what MidJourney did. I like those too. I like the first one very much. These are more freely inspired from Bauhaus, while these really followed more strictly. Next one is a chaotic digital glitch artwork featuring fragmental faces and vibrant RGB distortions. Very much exactly what I asked for. Let's see what MidJourney. This is also very much what I asked for, but in a totally different style. Well, you decide which style you prefer. Now we're going dark. A gothic castle surrounded by mist under a blood moon, dark and moody atmosphere. So let's see. This one, I don't know what happened with all these moons, but these two are very much what I was thinking of. Let's see. We can see a castle here, but they caught the idea of the blood moon much better. And this first one, I really like. I like the second one too, but the silhouette here was a positive surprise. And lastly, we're gonna do a whimsical fairy tale village with cobblestone streets, pastel houses, and glowing lanterns, soft and painterly. So here we have the MidJourney. I was thinking a softer, more painterly style. This is a little bit too modern in my eyes. Let's see what MidJourney did. This one as a photo, yes, this one with the cobblestone, but none of them really picked up the soft and painterly style as I wanted. In PicLumen, you can see PicLumen's very specific styles, and the same for MidJourney. Some surprises in both of them, but I see images that I can use as a starting point and work the prompt further in both of them. PicLumen, let's remember, we have the advantage of being able to try the same prompt in different models. while we in MidJourney has the very interesting full editor where we can retexture and do a lot of other stuff. So I will not say which one is better or worse. It's up to you which one suits your needs the most. So, which AI image generator is the better one? Well, it depends on what you need and what you like. If you love control and if you love the simple interface, PicLumen is fantastic. But if you are drawn to more bold, stylized images and don't mind learning all these extra little steps like commands, maybe MidJourney is for you. Ultimately, both tools are incredible in their own rights. So now, I love to hear from you. Have you tried PicLumen or MidJourney? Which one do you prefer? Drop your comments down below and let's have a conversation. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered content. After this, I will start a series about how to use AI in creative writing. And we're going to start with blogs. So I hope to see you here next week. Until then, stay creative. Bye.